How to pay Shopee using Google Pay. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay Shopee using Google Pay. So to get started, open your web browser and type in shopee.com in the search bar. Once the website loads, go to the username. After clicking on your username, you should be directed to your account page. Look for the option that says My Account and give it a click. Now, on the account page, locate and click on the option that says Banks and Cards. From there, you can pay with your credit or debit card. To add a new card, click on Add New Card. This will open a form where you can enter your card details. Fill in the required information such as the card number, expiry date, and name on the card. Once done, you'll be able to pay on Shopee by using this card. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.